Thank you. As President of the United States of America, my first decree shall be tariffs. You get a tariff. You get a tariff. Everybody gets tariffs! Mr. President, didn't tariffs lead to the Great Depression? Get this guy out of here. Get him out of here. Give this guy a tariff or something. Get him out of here. You get 2 tariffs.
Can a trade war between the US and China be won? Will one side come out of this victorious over the other?
No one wins in a trade war. Let's just get that set out from the very start of this discussion. One side may suffer less. Its trade and investment may be affected less. Its jobs may be affected less. In this case, probably China. But the whole point about international trade is not that it's a win-lose. The whole point is that each side benefits by building upon its strengths. Now, that is what the Trump administration is challenging. The idea that Donald Trump has isn't that you have a cooperative relationship where both sides win in trade. It is that one side wins, in this case the U.S., because the other side is ripping America off.
Are they right? Is America being ripped off by the rest of the world?
Well, I'm sure that your other guests will be able to explain this in detail, but frankly, no.
With that being said, I believe this next recession, this upcoming one that we are currently in, is going to be the deciding factor as we renovate from what was, improve, and create what will be. And that's the whole point of our recessions, to be honest. It's to improve, to be more efficient, and to better ourselves.
All right, you guys, welcome to the lab. Today I'm going to be showing you guys why I think a recession is imminent. And we're looking at the 10-year treasury constant minus the 2-year treasury right now. And as you can see here, every time it dips below the 0 line, we start getting into some dangerous territory. The gray area shaded here are recessions. And every time, without fail, once it has dipped below, it caused a recession. Of course, it's not immediate, but it's a good indicator, nonetheless. Another thing to look at, actually, is also the FINRA margin debt. But first, look at how close we are today, as of July 7th. We're at 0.29. In the past, dipping below as far as 0.02, 0.14, the furthest we've gotten was 0.05, and that was back in 2008. I'm disregarding this because this is about 30, 40 years away. It's a pretty long road. It is important though, nonetheless. It is important to view and to consider. In this upcoming recession, I do believe that it will dip down well past these lows, without a doubt, because this is also another indicator. The FINRA margin debt. Basically, this graph shows you how much debt investors are willing to put to make investments. For example, how much money am I willing to borrow to invest on? And down here is where investors have negative credit balance. That means they are out of the money, they borrowed it. And up here is where they are positive and they sell out, essentially, to get their return, to get the difference. The tech bubble here was booming. A lot of people started borrowing money, and then it spiked up, and then once it was going down, people were selling because they were making money. Well, the institutional investors, smart money, was selling. And same here in June 2007 with the house crisis. And what do we have here? This is going to be huge. Nobody knows when, but the thing I love about supercomputer. The thing I love about economics is that it is impossible to gauge precisely, and that's what makes it so much fun. It's kind of like stretching a rubber band. You never know how far you can take it until it breaks, but you usually have a good indicator. And another thing, actually, since we're here, let me show you this. Buy and sell. Oh, there it is. This is why most people are usually tardy to the party. A normal day, a nation's most important financial institution. Okay, I've got a stock here that could really excel. He's talking on the phone. And then somebody overhears him. Really, excel? Excel? Sell? Sell? Sell, 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 sell. And then in the middle of that panic, somebody says, this is madness. I can't take this anymore. Goodbye. He's going to commit suicide. And then some guy overhears him. He's like, goodbye, goodbye, bye, 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 bye. And then we're in a bull market. But yeah, with all that being said, I just want you guys to consider that this is not a joke. This is something really important. And wow, look at how far we've gone. Talk about a bubble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Elliott wave theory in action.
So, I forgot to record an outro. Here we are, middle of editing. Almost done with the video. That was supposed to have been out yesterday, but here we are today instead. If you like the video, give it a like. If you don't like the video, give it a like. And if you really like the videos, subscribe. There'll be more to come. And ciao.